Good morning, day 7, or day 6 I think, is Sunday of our trip to Spain and Portugal. So we just left Santa Colomba de SOMOZA, where we stayed overnight in a rural stay, guest house, really nice, where we watched the Champions League final, another decent meal, so really good stay, really good sleep. It's a very quiet village, no traffic, so no noises. We had a fantastic sleep, very comfortable beds. I will leave the description of the guest house somewhere in my comments. Highly recommended. Small village, very rural Spain, next to the church. But quite picturesque landscapes around. Yeah, really good, highly recommended. But now we're heading to Astorga. Quick stopover, a little bit sightseeing, chocolate factory, and then we'll head back towards Riaño. So another 2.5 hours of riding. So yeah, weather a bit cooler today. I would say early 20s, mid 20s, so not bad actually for riding and sightseeing. So yeah, the weather is perfect. As long as it stays dry, it's fine. Okay, so I'll see you later. Lots of pilgrims on their way. So this is the way to this is the Camino de Santiago de Compostela. So there's lots of pilgrims on the way today. So this is the El Camino, but we are doing it on a motorcycle and opposite direction. Oficina de Turismo. Camino. This is nice. So now we're in a chocolate factory in Astorga. It's quite an interesting place. You can see all the machinery. Yeah, definitely worth visiting. So yeah, really nice place. It's a good stopover, so I think the ticket is only €4. 2 floors, different exhibitions, so yeah, definitely worth visiting. So we are leaving Astorga. We had some kind of sightseeing stopover. Really nice place, worth visiting. Chocolate factory, old city, cathedral. Yeah, nice place, even for overnight stopover. There are plenty of restaurants and bars. So I think I would be tempted to stay here overnight next time. So we just passed Leon, the city of Leon, Spain, and currently on LE5508, 4 digits, so it's a country road, quite bumpy, taking us right through the countryside. No traffic, but we can see mountains in the distance. So we have about 1 hour 17 minutes from our hotel in Picos near Riaño. So yeah, but we can definitely see the mountains in the distance, so we're heading there. For a beautiful Spanish countryside, the middle of nowhere. So yeah, we're on CL624. We got 1 hour to our destination, but we are on CL624 to Riaño. So we are heading to Riaño. 1 hour to go. Straight roads, pretty straight roads towards the mountains. So yeah, CL626, 45 minutes to our destination. We're just outside of Riaño, a couple of minutes, so there must be about 30 minutes to Riaño. In 12 kilometers, we're gonna turn left to N621. But yeah, getting closer to the mountains. It's getting a little bit cooler. So from 30 degrees, it dropped to 25. So yeah, getting closer. Still no rain, so that's a good thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is nice view. This is some kind of mining town. Not to work anymore. But this is where we're heading. Into the mountains and into the views. So we are still on N61. After a coffee break, we are approaching Riaño. So familiar landscapes. Although the weather is not so good anymore, so I think it's gonna be raining soon. We've got only 19 minutes to the hotel, so we better get there before the rain comes. I like this area. I like the Riaño, especially the beautiful sunshine. So beautiful viewpoints. Unfortunately, we are rushing because the weather is changing. I think there is a high risk of rain very, very soon. I can see the clouds going lower, so yeah, we've got 10 minutes. Yeah, so we won't stop here today. If the weather allows, we may stop tomorrow, but I think the weather is changing forward, so but yeah, we are approaching Riaño. Back to the beginning, closing the circle. Riaño, beautiful views. over the viaduct. It's getting a bit windy. Yes. It's a shame there's no sunshine. It looks so amazing in the full sunshine. With overcast and heavy clouds, so yeah. The rain is coming. 6 minutes to hotel, so hopefully we can get there before the rain. Last few twisties, and we're gonna head towards Santander tomorrow, and we're going to catch the ferry to Plymouth. So we almost the adventure almost done.